pyle 15. BK2. Just got this in today too. Pretty nice. Let's see. Figured I might need a bigger knife for this. Probably not. Got a manual, some speakers, yay. I'm gonna have to sit you down again. Sorry about that. Pyle. Stage speaker. Lighting's not too good in here. Apologize for that. This was supposed to be Pyle Pro, I think, but whatever. It was cheap. Oh yeah. Plenty of options for plugs. Let's see, Pyle keeping up with their quality stuff here. Right. Alright. That's that. Got that to where it's supposed to be. And I'll be back.